Hello everyone, welcome back to BaoBob Channel. Today I'm going to be working on changing inner tube for this bicycle. Let's see how hard it takes. And in the near future, I'm going to change the tires because it looks bad. Make sure the tire is flat, no air before you're working on it. Always taking precaution before working on anything. I'm gonna attempt to lift the locking mechanisms with one hand. It looks like it's gonna be too hard, so I'm gonna use two hands. Alright, it works better with two hands. The next step is to lift up the chain. Okay, the next step is to remove the cap. And I'm gonna need two levers to remove the tire. I'm gonna use one to hold it, and I'm gonna use the second one to go around the tire and get to the inner tube. This bicycle tires needs 27.5 inch inner tube. And it also comes with the tool to remove the tires. Once I successfully put in the inner tube, I double check my word, kind of check around, make sure everything in its place. I'm not going to put the air in just yet because it's going to be difficult for me to put back on. And here we go. Put in, just follow the removal process. Double check on everything, lock the wheel, and test it out, test the brake, Thank you for watching this video. I know each bite is different. I work on this one just to give you an idea on how to replace the inner tube on this bite. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and click the subscribe button. Good luck on your project and see you on the next video.